here in Hermantown to celebrate this important milestone. It almost sounded like I was going into the Prince song there for a moment. The 1-year anniversary of Lake Superior Dental Associates' new location. I understand it was a very far commute in Hermantown, a couple hundred feet or so. But seriously, the extra work that it took to brand the new location, move a business, reach new customers, and inform your current clientele, it's not a light lift. So, especially after 5 years of service here in the Hermantown area, but you did it, so congratulations. That's not all. Today we also have the pleasure of welcoming Dr. Jeff Polzin, who's transferring from their downtown Duluth office up here. Dr. Polzin's experience and expertise and commitment to excellence make this moment even more special. Lake Superior Dental Associates has not only provided exceptional dental care, but their commitment to our community and your growth is truly commendable. So we're very excited for you. Following the ribbon cutting, there's tours and great eats I was promised by Bethany, so it should be a lot of fun. Let's celebrate this outstanding achievement and look forward to many more years of great dental care right here in Hermantown, which is a very needed service for the good health of our community. Congrats to Lake Superior Dental Associates. Thanks for being a member of the Hermantown Area Chamber of Commerce as we continue to support businesses and work to provide a very flourishing business economy for years to come. So thank you for choosing Hermantown to mark this occasion. And on behalf of our Chamber Board of Directors, our ambassador and staff, welcome to your 1-year anniversary celebration, and cut that ribbon.